Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to reply to a specific message on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. So once you've made sure that your Instagram is up to date through your App Store or your Play Store, just go ahead and open up Instagram right here. And from here, you should be at your home page. So for example, if you're from your profile page, just click on the home icon at the bottom left corner. And you should be able to see this messenger icon or the messages icon at the top right corner. So just click on that. So on this page, you should be able to see the conversations or the messages you have with your friends. So just open up a conversation that you want to reply to a specific message to. So for example, right here. For example, I want to reply to the specific message right here. So what you're going to do is that once you have chosen that specific message, what you're going to do is to just simply swipe to the right on that particular message and release, and that should be able to, and Instagram will ask you to type in a message replying to that specific message. So I'm just going to type in like that and just click on send right here, and it should look like this. So the specific message that you replied to is right above your specific reply. So that is how you can basically reply to a specific message on Instagram. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.